again, and thanks for joining me again. Here we are back in the yard. We're doing a little bit more of winter work. We're going to have to strip them back. The wings, 1, 2. Okay, it's a ball ache of a job. Nobody wants to do it, but that needs to go back to the bare metal, and then we can start looking at spraying it. But we'll only be doing the spraying when the weather gets a bit better, and when I've invested in something that I can use to cover all the bits that need doing. So, without further ado, we're going to go back on the old time lapse, and we're going to start stripping these back, like I say, to the bare metal. And we'll see what other bits we need to be getting on with. I know I've got the bonnet to do as well, so this may be a long drawn out process. Okay, see you in a bit. Right, so there we go. Once again, we've done it. Right, wing number 1, all stripped back to the bare metal. Does need a little bit more tidying up, admittedly, but yeah, there's nearly 2 hours out of my life that I'm not going to get back. But yeah, pain in the backside that was. So what I've decided is I'll just crack on. I'll get them all done. That'll be both wings and the bonnet. And once they're done, we'll have a look at the results. Okay, so see you in a bit. Right, as you can see in the back, we've got wing number 2. All right, that's almost scratched back to the bare metal, nearly finished. But what I've done is I've brought the bonnet out, and what I completely forgot that I had is heavy duty paint stripper. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting the paint stripper on that. We're going to cover it over, we're going to see how it reacts. We're going to give it about an hour to burn off all the paint. We're going to come back to it, see what it looks like, and if it needs a second coat, then we'll be putting that on, because scratching it back with a wire wheel is a complete and utter ball ache. So we're going to try and get this done as quickly and as efficiently as possible. It may even be an awful lot better at the end of the day, but like I say, I had this sat on the shelf, completely forgot that I had it, and we're going to go and try and use it today. So stick with it and we'll see what the results look like after it's all done. Okay? Once again, this vehicle has decided to give up some more of its secrets, as you can see on the front of the bonnet. Body filler. So it looks like it's had a front end belted sometime. So again, what we'll do is we'll get it back as best we can. I'll keep putting the paint stripper on it, get it lifted. It saves me a lot of effort, trust me. And then it's looking like I'll have to wire wheel that little section back, but yeah, let's see how we get on. Alright, well there we go again. A massive amount of body filler for not a great deal of damage. It was ridiculous. It literally stretched right across the front of the bonnet. Yeah, it's had a bit of a prang in the front here. I don't know. We've got a bit of a lump there, which will be banging out with a hammer and dolly, but yeah. Wow. 70s repairs, eh? Who'd have thought? Right, so there we are, all done. Both wings, the bonnet, the front lava lance, all scratch back, and also using the paint stripper. Paint stripper actually quite expensive. Unfortunately for me, not exactly financially viable to buy loads in and keep using it. Like I keep saying, on a bit of a budget trying to do this. But yeah, it doesn't look so bad. It really doesn't look so bad. Now then, the next part of the operation will be to try and get some paint on it. I'm going to see about getting some epoxy on it. Yeah, hopefully never to rust again, but you never know. But that is only going to happen as and when we get a new roof for my lean-to, and that's not going to happen anytime soon. So we need the roof for the lean-to, and we need the weather to start improving, because this will be getting sprayed up in this yard. So that should be exciting. So that said, look, I'll end the video there. Once again, thanks for watching, really appreciate it. And hopefully see you in the next one. Don't know what the next one's going to be just yet, but I'll see you in the next one. All right, you look after yourselves, take care, and I'll see you all soon. Ta-ta for now. Bye bye.